So let's do alley docking. I'm going to teach you how to do alley docking. So your test examiner gives you the instruction to do alley docking to the right. So we check, we check, we check, we indicate. Clutch goes in, reverse. We feel for our careful clutch control. Again, less is more. We are wanting to move slow, not fast. We are doing the 5-point check, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we put our handbrake down. And the goal is to just move slow and controlled. Don't rush yourself. Try to just take it slowly. Okay, so I want the pole again, front of my vehicle. As soon as it reaches the front of my vehicle, as I'm turning to the right hand side, I check my left blind spot and then I'm looking in my left mirror. And what I'm looking for is I want to see 3 poles again in a straight line. If you feel you're going too fast, you can slightly brake, but the secret really is to just control the clutch. Just keep it steady. Okay, and straighten up those wheels nice and quickly because it will help you. And you know where straight is, 2 full turns. Okay, and there we go. Keeping a quick eye both sides, making sure that it's safe. I'm not hitting into anything. I want to make sure I get in without bumping. Okay, and the second pole at my shoulder. And we stop, handbrake up, and we put the gear back into neutral. Alley docking done. I hope that helps you to pass your driving test with confidence. Now go outside and have a blessed day.